can. Yeah, wind down real fast. Right, oh yeah, right, I just wind.
Where's he going?
Now you're swimming towards you. Wind as fast as you can.
What do you need?
Oh, just move the seat up.
Seat out.
Take the seat out.
Pull it up with my camera on it.
Yeah, don't worry about the camera. Had a bloke lost a big one the other day, but you're too worried about his camera.
Sorry. I can't.
No, that's alright, if he runs, that's good. It's tiring him out.
I can't turn it.
Lift up, right, now lift up. Now wind down real fast. Wind down real fast. That's it. Now lift up again. Wind down real fast. Or just stand there and wind might be just easier. Stop giggling.
I can't. I was looking out. They're looking at the back. I'm not very strong.
And they thought childbirth was hard. Huh? Yeah, keep winding.
Oh.
Like that. Got to move over a little bit over there. Pause, please. I'll give you this side with one leg. Here we go. Like that. There we go. Drop again. Doing a good job.
It's like childbirth.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Right, open the spool up.
Well done. What to do?
Open the spool up for us. Push the button down. One we do.
Oh my god.
Can I get it? Can I just keep your bloody pants are falling down? Lucky I've got bloody lucky I've got pants on underneath.
It's alright.
Better kick that over to the side over there first.
You gotta hold it yet. Wow. Oh my god.
Ready for the ladies on the boat? Yeah, you got red eyes. They hunt at night. Well, they can't hunt at night. They've got amazing eyes. Their eyes can change colour.
Yeah.
Wasn't going to get off that fella.
Well, I'm happy now. You're done. You can relax.
Only had one hook.
Oh, look at it.
Only had one hook in him.
Oh
Holy shit.
my god. Oh my god.
Perhaps I won't go further up.
I can't believe I wheeled it in. I got it in like. It's nearly as big as you.
That's 89. Look at the big V cut out of his tail.
So 89 centimetres.
89. Oh no, he's actually bigger than that. Yeah, 89.
89 centimetres.
Righto, the best way to get a photo of that sucker is. Oh,
Sorry. Apologising to it. Oh, I've never seen such a big fish.
you take a lot better fish with the sun on it.